Hi, welcome to Wednesday. We're going to start with our rhyme production. The rhyme today is ush, ush. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple minutes, maybe 1 minute, to think about rhymes, words that rhyme with ush. And I'll help you start with one. I don't want to take one from you if you were thinking of this, but let's start with huh. Hush, hush, like hush, little baby. I hope that was enough time. I'm going to tell you a couple and see if these might match. It could be different than what I've thought of. Crush, blush, mush, like you eat mush, ew, and rush. Okay, good job. Okay, our other rhyme today is unch, unch. They're coming up with some hard ones. I'm going to give you 15 seconds. And a hint, something that you eat, a time of day, unch. Okay, I hope you thought of one or two words that rhyme with unch, like lunch, munch, crunch, punch. Okay, those are just some examples. You might have come up with something different. All right, which word begins like thunder? Think or bubble? I hope you said think. Which word begins like whale? Jump or whistle? Whistle. Which word begins like shape? Show or laugh? Show. Which word begins like chili? Cheese or family? Cheese. Which word begins like shine? Top or shade? Shade. Very good. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes. O, p. Lump. H, t. Hunt. B, and. Band. T, t. Tilt. T, t. Tent. J, p. Jump. Sift. Sift. T. Runt. Okay, great job. Phoneme location. You're trying to figure out, is it the beginning, is it in the middle, or is it at the end of the word? Okay. Today we're listening for the sound th, okay? Athlete, athlete. I hope you heard it in the middle. Earth, earth. Yep, and thankful, thankful. Beginning. Cloth, cloth. End. Birthday, birthday. Middle. Without, without. Middle. Thumping, thumping. That's at the beginning. Good job. Okay. Choppers, we're segmenting phonemes. So I will say it, you'll repeat the word, then you chop it up. Okay? And I will help with the first couple like I always do. soft, soft, gift, gift, held, held, damp, pump, land, bump, rent. Okay, great job. We're going to add our initial phoneme. When I go like this, you blend it together and tell me the word. Then I will tell you the word and make sure you got it correct, okay? We have ode, add str to the beginning to make strode. We have I'm, add cur to the beginning to make crime. We have amp, add ch to the beginning to make champ. We have ipe, add sw to the beginning to make swipe. We have ite, right, add sp to the beginning to make sprite. We have aim, add sh to the beginning to make shame. We have apes, add gur to the beginning to make grapes. That was a tongue twister for me. Okay, now I'm going to delete the initial phoneme. We have the word blame. Without bull, what's left? Aim. We have the word strive. Without str, what's left? I've. We have the word cheek. Without ch, what's left? Eek. We have the word shelf. Without sh, what's left? Elf. We have the word flake. Without full, what's left? Ache. We have the word sheet. Without sh, what's left? Eat. We have the word thumb. Without th, what's left? We have the word shape. Without sh, what's left? Ape. Very good. Last part, substituting phonemes. We have the word ramp. Change to ka, and what's the word? Camp. We have the word camp. Change ka to da, and what's the word? Damp. We have the word damp. Change da to ul, and what's the word? Lamp. We have the word lamp. Change ul to cha, and what's the word? Champ. We have the word champ. Change cha to and what's the word? Ramp. Very good. I'll see you tomorrow. Great job.